Our last section here is what comments for feedback may look like. Now on the left-hand side of the screen here, you may have seen comments similar to this on some work, like, good job, great, unclear. These are perfectly fine comments in small amounts, maybe in different parts of the paper, but if this is all that the person is receiving, then it's not going to be very helpful for them because they don't know what is good or what is unclear. What we want to think about in our writing is something a little bit different, phrasing comments and the feedback in a way that illustrates or clarifies what we like or what we don't like about something. So instead of saying good job or great, we can say I think, or simply think. This is an interesting point because. This because is going to lead into our explanation of why we like this particular thing. Also, this example makes your idea clear. This is a great and simple way to tell someone that you think that their quote, their ideas are good, and then you can move on quickly. Similarly, if you have some places where you're not quite sure what something is doing, or you're not quite sure why the information is written the way that it is, you can absolutely ask for clarification. And it's a good practice to say something like, I don't quite understand this. Are you saying, and then rephrase the statement. This allows the person who's reading the comments to consider how somebody else is reading this information and understanding it. And if this is something that they don't mean to write or don't mean to say, then they can absolutely rewrite it. You can also ask questions like, have you thought about this view or this different method? This is, again, another way to engage with the writer and to show that maybe you're not 100% sure what they're talking about, but show it in a nice way. There are more examples of feedback on the Canvas page after this video. Please feel free to refer back to this video at any time, or the screenshots as well, as we will use this information throughout the rest of the course and in the rest of our papers.